Welcome back to the Excel course. Today, we are going to explore the important topic of data validation in Excel. This feature allows you to control the type of data that can be entered into your cells, helping to prevent errors and ensure your data stays accurate and consistent. Let's say you have a spreadsheet with a column where you need to enter scores and you want to restrict these scores to be between 1 and 10. To do this, first select the entire column where the scores will go. Then go to the Data tab and find the Data Validation option. Once there, set the validation criteria by choosing a range of values with a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10. After confirming by clicking OK, Excel will enforce this rule. If someone tries to enter a score outside this range, such as 11, Excel will immediately alert them with an error message, preventing invalid data from being entered. This keeps your data clean and reliable. Next, we will apply data validation to dates. Suppose you have a column where you only want dates within a specific range, for example, from May 12th to May 31st. Similar to before, select the date column, open data validation, and this time choose the date criteria. Set the start date as May 12th and the end date as May 31st. When you apply these settings, Excel will ensure only dates within this range can be entered. If a user tries to enter a date like May 1st, the system will reject it with an error notification, ensuring that only valid dates are accepted. On the other hand, if the date entered falls within the range, such as May 13th, Excel will accept it without any issues. Using data validation in this way helps to avoid mistakes during data entry and maintains the integrity of your spreadsheet. By setting these rules ahead of time, you reduce the risk of incorrect information slipping into your data, making your work more efficient and error-free. Keep practicing these steps, and you will find managing your Excel data much easier and more accurate. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you build stronger, more reliable spreadsheets.